Welcome to this channel. Here, English vocabulary comes to life with over 2,500 essential words, each broken down with examples and in-depth explanations. Each word is examined in detail with 2 practical examples that bring it to life in real contexts, helping you remember it with ease. For example, persistent means not giving up. Sarah was persistent in her studies, spending hours each day. The rain was persistent, pouring down for days. With animation, each example sticks in your memory. We cover each word's part of speech, so you'll know how to use it in sentences. For instance, unpredictable combines predict to foresee, not, and able, capable of. Knowing these parts helps you understand and remember words faster. Every day, we cover 20 to 30 words, often synonyms, giving you options for different contexts. Our structured, animated approach makes learning easy and memorable. Subscribe today and unlock powerful vocabulary knowledge.